It was early morning in Funky Town, and Dippy was having one of those days. Dippy's running late again, moaned Clara. Do I have to do everything in this cafe? But suddenly there was a crunch, and a smash, and a crash. Dippy had returned from her milk round. Sorry I'm late. I dropped number 24 strawberry yoghurt. Never mind that now. Banana milkshake for table 2 and be quick about it. Oh, Dippy, not again, said Clara. You make the milkshakes and I'll serve. Dippy, you're looking lovely today, said Angus. Oh, said Dippy. Am I? You always look lovely. Now, how about my special milkshake? One grass pudding surprise milkshake coming up, giggled Dippy. I don't know what to do about Dippy, said Clara. She's so clumsy. Oops, said Dippy. Oh, you silly cow. Oh, Dippy, look at the mess you've made, said Clara. That's it. I'm leaving the cafe. What am I going to do, said Clara. I can't run this place on my own. You could try replacing Dippy with this super duper vending machine. So Dippy returned to the countryside to eat a nice big field, while the super duper vending machine started its first day at work, serving perfect banana milkshakes, exotic fruit smoothies, and exquisite Earl Grey tea. The super duper vending machine was a great success.
Good morning. How can I be of service?
Asked the machine. Watercress pressé, please, requested Francis.
Have a nice day.
The cafe had never been busier. It even did the washing up. Everything was going well for Clara until Angus returned for his special milkshake. My, you look beautiful today, super vending machine, said Angus.
Today, I propose hot tea.
Oh, said Angus. Dippy always made me my special milkshake.
I offer banana, strawberry or raspberry milkshakes. Please select the milkshake of your choice and I'll serve it at your table. Have a nice day.
Grass pudding milkshake, please, said Angus.
I'm sorry, I only offer banana, strawberry or raspberry milkshakes.
That should fix the silly machine, said Angus. Grass pudding milkshake, please.
Have a nice day.
Parsnip cola.
Have a nice day.
Yucca! Mashed potato and apple pie. Angus tried pressing more buttons, but was bombarded by fried egg and fruit salad, followed by cheese and onion ice cream.
Have a nice day.
I only wanted one little milkshake. As his wish finally came true, and he and the other animals were washed away on a sea of grass-flavoured milkshake.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Someone stop it, shouted Clara. The cafe will be ruined.
Have a nice day.
Look at this mess. How can I ever get the cafe back to normal? There's someone who can help. A bit clumsy, but very dependable. Dippy, it's Clara. I'm back, said Dippy. There's not much to do in the country, except eat grass. So that was the day Dippy returned from the country, and Clara realised her best friend was worth her weight in gold. And that's a lot of gold.